Alright, so here's some more questions. This one is saying, what is the domain and range of the quadratic equation? Okay, let me go ahead and graph it. So anytime it's asking you for domain and range, just make sure to graph it and see. Okay, so it's the quadratic. So the domain is all real numbers because it's going to the left and it's going to the right. It's opening to the left and right. And then the range is every number y greater than 7. So because if you look down here, it starts at -7 and it goes up. So that one. Okay. Alright, so this question is so easy. It's a pure vocabulary question. It says, what are the zeros? So it's only the x-intercepts, so -3 and -1. And that's it, guys. No other point. Not the y's, not the vertex, only the x-intercepts. Okay? Same thing here. Determine the 0. It's at -5. Done. Determine the roots. So roots are also the same thing as a 0. It's asking you to find the x-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here and plug it in Desmos, press the home button, and it's these 2 points. So 2, and it should be -5/3. You can convert it into a decimal and then check it like that. Also, another way you can check it is if you plug it in directly into my function, it should produce a 0. Okay, so when I plug in -5/3, it gives me a 0, and if I plug in 2, it also gives me a 0. That's how I know those are the roots. And even for the the zeros, they're the same thing. Okay. All right, match the quadratic with the number of real solutions. Alright, so there's three types of solution. Either it's one solution where it touches the graph. Well, let me graph it and then just do it like that. So this one, even though I have a point here, but it is a no solution because it has 0 real solutions because it doesn't cross the x-axis. Okay? This one, has one real solution because it touches the x-axis once. So this one will have 2 solutions, but I just want to go ahead and graph it and check if I made any mistakes. Nope, I did not. It says 2 solutions right there, and that's what that is. Determine the solutions of the equation. So solutions also means x-intercept. So I'm just going to plug it in. And it is a no solution because it's not touching the x-axis. That's that. What are the x and y intercepts? So that's x squared plus 2x plus 1. So the x-intercept is at -1, 0, and then the y-intercept is at 0, 1. Go. That's about it for that. That was an easy one. It's all about the vocabulary. X-intercepts, y-intercepts, zeros, roots. And one thing I didn't have in here, but it's solution. So if it's asking you for a solution, you can just graph it and look at the x-intercepts. Alright, thanks guys.